Jeff from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to teach you how to make this little cute fall pumpkin block. Kids have gone back to school, fall's around the corner, things are going to start cooling down. Yay! So excited. So, remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. Let's get started. To make a fall pumpkin block, you are going to want a 5.5 inch by 6.5 inch rectangle for your pumpkin. You're going to want a 1.5 inch square for your stem. You're going to want two 1.5 by 3 inch rectangles to go on either side of your stem. And you're going to want 4 2-inch squares for your background around your pumpkin. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our 2.5 inch squares, line up corner to corner, and draw a diagonal line on each of the 4 2-inch squares. Once we've done that, we're going to take our pumpkin rectangle and we're going to place these squares in each of the corners and sew on the diagonal line. So let's take that to the machine and do that. Once we get those squares on, we're going to press this back to make sure that they all cover the corners, and then we can trim our seam allowance. That will make the pumpkin part of our block. Now to make the stem, we're going to sew our 1.5 inch square between the 1.5 by 3 inch squares. So let's take that to the sewing machine and sew that 1/4 inch. Once we get our stem sewn, we're just going to sew that to our pumpkin. So right sides together, 1/4 inch seam. And that's how you make a fun fall pumpkin block. Rinse and repeat. Make yourself a whole pumpkin patch. Thanks for watching my video. We'll see you next time. Bye.